freaking hunt I've ever had for turkey hunting. He was banging on that decoy. Oh my gosh. Yes. That's why we do it. That's why we do it. I cannot believe that just happened. That was the craziest hunt ever. So, he was roosted over here, and he flew over here, and he strutted and gobbled over there for an hour, worked his way to me, and then strutted and gobbled for 20 minutes out of range. Too much crap to shoot through. And he finally saw my Jake decoy and got pissed off and came down here and beat the hell out of him. I couldn't move because he could see me. I was waiting on him to go back into strut where his tail feathers. His fan would be blocking me. As soon as that fan went up, I swung. And as you can see, that's what happened. Yes! My adrenaline's pumping so much and I love it. This is why we do it. Let me call Chris.
What's up?
Yo. Let's go.
Okay.
Down.
Did you do any calling or anything?
Oh, dude, yeah. I called my heart out. Because I was having to compete with those hens because they were calling, and when I started cutting them off, they got pissed off, and then they stopped talking, and then that's when this dude just started performing, and dude, he strutted all the way to me, and then he saw the Jake decoy because it was behind a tree, and when he saw it, dude, he came running down, and he beat the hell out of this Jake decoy, and like was pecking its face and everything. And
That is awesome.
I've never seen that in Alabama. I've only seen that in like up in the Midwest and stuff.
I'll just come down the road.
Yeah, do that. And I'm sitting right here on a deadfall.
Okay.
Dude, I'm pumped.
That's awesome, man.
All right.
I'm gonna start heading that way.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.
All right, let's go check out this bird. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I got all that on video. It's quite possibly the best hunt I've ever had. I don't know if it tops mine and Cole's hunt that morning that we had last year, but definitely the best footage I've ever gotten. Nice. Oh, freaking daggers. Look at that. Oh, yes, let's go. Oh my gosh. That might be closest to my biggest bird, spur wild. All right, so just finished with my bird. Me and Chris set up, and I just got a picture of 3 toms on the top of the ridge where my Tacticam's at. We got about a half-mile run/walk we gotta do. Try to sneak up there on them and make it happen. So, here we go. Stop here, keep going. Let me look at my binoculars. Just past this tree. Yeah, don't move. Let me look. I don't see him. Stand up. Just stand up and shoot. Did you get him? Let's go. Yes. Got him, baby. Smoked him. Oh my gosh. Let's go. I smoked him. Oh. It's your first turkey. Oh man. Hey. How'd you like that creeping action? That was sick.
My water bottle fell out.
I was like, stand up, stand up. Because they could see me.
Oh.
Yeah.
I peeked. I heard you say something, so I peeked up. I saw them all 3 trotting away. Yeah, that's awesome, dude.
Congrats.
Thanks, man. I don't even know if I aimed.
I don't know if you did either.
I threw it up so quick.
Good shot. You got it right where you're supposed to.
I mean, it's just...
So, clearly you aimed.
It was just like... It's like shooting a skeet or something. I just
Yeah.
threw it up there. And,
Dude, he's done for.
that TSS, baby. Don't play around.
No, don't. What a hunt. 2 birds within 1 hour. So we got set up down below because I heard some hens, and I got a Tacticam picture up top of the ridge of these 3 birds moving down this road where they've been traveling a lot. So we took off running. It was worth it.
Yeah, now I'm sweating like crazy.
Dude, I'm pouring sweat. Oh my gosh, let's go check it out.
Alright, that's good.
For the record, that feeder is empty and has been up here probably 7 years. You excited?
Heck yeah, man. My first turkey.
It's awesome, dude. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks, man.
He's ready for a fight.
Yeah. Well, he came in ready to fight.
I know,
didn't he?
he did fight. He beat that decoy up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So we get set up because I had 3 birds gobbling where I was at. And as soon as we get set up, get the Tacticam photo, run up the mountain. I'm still soaking wet.
I know. Well, what's
Sweat.
crazy is I was just up there. So I went to the ridge top, you went down bottom, and I didn't hear anything this morning. And then all of a sudden I hear,
Yeah.
I'm like, well, I guess Taylor got in one. And then you text me and said, yeah, I just got one. He came in strutting hard.
Yeah.
You said, I think I heard a couple other turkeys. So I book it down the mountain, get down there, we get set up. Yeah, we get set up. We're sitting there probably, I don't know, 30 seconds. And you're like, okay, there's 3 turkeys at the ridge top. So we book it all the way back up the mountain.
Yeah, you got some cardio for sure.
Yeah, I'm pouring sweat.
Yeah.
I'm crawling on my hands and knees. Meanwhile, you're standing up behind me like, dude, get up and shoot. Because I couldn't see him running away.
Yeah, I'm scared they're going to run away and fly off. And dude, when I saw that one bird fly off, I thought it was just like, well, so much for that.
I know. I think the one I shot was the farthest one away, but he was like
The last one.
He was the last one
To realize what was going on.
Yeah, he was the slow
Imminent
bird.
death. Everybody else was like deucing out.
Yeah, he was just a little bit slower than the other 2.
Yeah. Dude, yours got a heck of a beard on it.
I know, man. I'm excited.
Yep. See,
Excited
mine's
for
somewhere
sure.
down here. So, there it is.
Yeah.
So, yours is a little thicker, too. Mine's a little longer.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I think
dude.
your birds are probably a little bit older than mine.
Yeah, a little bit longer spurs, but
Yeah, one of mine's kind of broke off. I
Yeah,
don't know if that's from
that's crazy.
fighting or
I don't
what.
know. I've never seen that before.
Yeah, crazy.
Well,
But
good work, dude.
yeah, man, it was awesome.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, do all the things. We'll hopefully keep throwing down more videos for turkey season.
Yes, sir.
See what happens. I'm getting ready to head to Nebraska. Hopefully I can tag one more in Alabama before I head out. But
That'd be
it's
awesome.
been a good season so far.
Yeah, me and my dad are going. I'm trying to go tomorrow and get him on a bird.
Cool.